Hey everybody, it's June 22nd. So this is 9 weeks that I've been growing in my hydroponic greenhouse. And last week I showed you the peas I had done some in soil that look like this, and they're doing quite well. I've eaten a couple on there. There's another one there. Another one there. So the soil one's doing well. This is the bok choy that I have inside that I also have in soil. It's not too happy and got eaten by somebody. But if we go inside, the kratky peas have kind of dried out. Although it's still got some, and I ate a few off there. There's, maybe the roots are a little dark. Yeah, it's not happy. But this guy in the Dutch bucket, some there, some more flowers, some more peas, and it's almost to the top. That's gotta be 9 feet. It's taller than I can reach. I think the ceiling in here is 10 feet. And this cucumber is trying to catch up to it. It's amazing growth this week. So there's some there, tons of flowers. I've been doing the tickling them with a paintbrush. The big guy is that one. It's pretty cool. And so there's lots coming on that. There's a few coming on this one as well, somewhere. Look at all that interaction. It's pretty cool. Lots of tomatoes coming up as well. There's a neighbor. Some there, some there. More cucumber plants. There's some more little guys. So everything's starting to come out now. Bunch of little guys here. There's a big guy there. And tons of tomatoes on this guy, which is awesome to see all the way up. And we got a big pepper here. Nice to see. Got some big Bertha peppers. There's a bunch coming here. My mom's tomato plant. Lots of flowers coming on there. And these peppers look like they're gonna have a good week. Lots of white. Oh, there you go. There's peppers. This is just today. I didn't see these guys this morning when I was in here. So those will all be coming out quick. Pesto's growing up. I keep taking off big ones to put in my sauces, and those roots. So cool. My succulent plants here I was watching the last week's video. Sorry, the reflection was not so good. Maybe I'll try this one. Nope, still not good. There you can see all the roots. So those are all working out well. So I'll be planting those, making another couple hundred of these. The rail, I've been eating all the Swiss chard and the lettuce. Well, my daughter's been eating the lettuce. The bok choy is kind of on its way out, but I see a bunch of new growth coming up, so I might just trim them and see if they'll start again. This guy's happy. The arugula's kind of dried out, but I'm still waiting on stuff to replace it with. Maybe I'll just go buy some stuff because I don't want to waste it. Some good chives coming up. Oh, look at the bok choy roots. I think it's pulling on that one. Yeah, they're pretty thick. And of course the Swiss chard ones are cool because those are all red. chives. Well, just some little guys. Mint. Ready for it? Who watched last week for the boing? There's one. Boing. That's crazy how this stuff grows. Now let's see you put it in one hand, Dave. Oh, so close. There we go. I don't remember what, yeah, the arugula's. It's too bad. My whole family loves arugula, so we'll have to plant more. This pepper from seed is still coming up all right. Like I said, this guy is awesome. Nice roots. So this one is a golden California bell pepper. This is a big Bertha, so these should be nice. And these are all the Ring of Fire. So we'll be making some hot sauce. But yeah, this wall's really picking up. Very cool to see. So I'll be making some pickles shortly, I hope. Come on, grow, guys. And look at all the flowers. Very cool. So it's 25 degrees in here right now, and it's still about 7 o'clock at night. It was a hot one today. Peas. This is the beer can chicken. Beer can pepper. You can tell I'm hungry. But for those who haven't had beer can chicken, I highly suggest you try that. Okay, so everything's going good. Gotta replace some stuff. And I'll probably throw the rest of this into the big stir fry. But I should have started some other stuff sooner. Started in my kitchen. Replace it, but I ran out. It's not ready yet. Alright, that's it for the week. Thanks for watching. We'll be making some recipes soon here, I hope. Making some pickles first, looks like. Let's see how big these guys get. Pretty cool. Okay, see you next week. Hey guys, little bonus footage. Ooh. So you guys haven't seen my front yard. So I made all these rails because we always sit around here. So now we got more seating. I just made this last night, this table to sit on top. So if you're sitting, you can have a beer there, or you just take it off. You got a table. Pretty cool. My wife kind of looks after this, so there's only a bit of food. Got some strawberries. Got a good blueberry tree going. It's finally starting to get some stuff. Logan berries, I think it's called. Looking forward to this one. Honeyberry, sorry. So hopefully we get something off that guy. We usually have strawberries through here. There's a couple down there. And there are roses, and yeah, pretty cool little setup. It's worked good for us. Fake grass, which is nice. You can't really tell unless it's winter and there's snow on it, but it's still green. Yeah, and our palm trees are doing well. Good time. I'm still set up. It's our daughter's graduation tomorrow, so we're having my mom and a couple of her friends over to celebrate 12 years. Jeez. Okay, that's it. See you next week.